Hello friends who like to plant. Do you like to see videos with the theme of new things on YouTube, especially those in the field of plants? Maybe lately you've been finding a lot of videos with strange thumbnails like this. Just like papaya plants bear bananas, papaya bear watermelon, even eggplant bear bananas. Isn't this a ridiculous thing? Maybe some people realize that this is just a trick, where the video maker aims to get millions of views. Believe videos like that are just lies, and you better not have to try to implement them, because in the end you will be disappointed. Indeed, grafting techniques have existed since ancient times, but not necessarily every plant can be grafted, or grafted. Plants can only be connected using a simple grafting technique if the two plants to be grafted are still in the same relative. For example, eggplant and tomato, red guava and white guava. Like that, friends. So basically you have to be selective if you want to apply a technique that you didn't know before. Thank you.